Hi all you nature lovers out there, I'm Ken. I'm a volunteer with Gabriola Land and Trails Trust, and this is my springtime nature tip for being wildlife friendly in your backyard or garden. It's having a snag in your yard like this. It's a standing dead tree that's had a chance to just decompose over time, and as you can see, it's become a great place for foraging woodpeckers and other insects that like to move in and do their job. And it acts as a place for nutrient recycling, which is perfect for the rainforest. It has a way of regenerating all of that forest organic material back into the forest floor for more trees to grow. All right, here's another example. This has had a chance to have nature do its thing a little bit longer. It's decomposing even more, and it's become a wonderful place for a whole host of beneficial insects in your garden and in the forest, as well as some reptiles that are probably making homes here under all the little nooks and crannies. And then finally, in this yard is where a log has fallen now, and it's become a nurse log for small trees. And again, it helps with the complete nutrient cycling in your yard. So keep those snags, let them do their thing, and you will be more wildlife friendly in your yard.